Hey guys, let's take a look at Meta. I'm going to talk about three things here. The first one is what Meta has been up to price action wise. The second thing is what does the trend look like and what are some of the key levels for us to trend up again. If you see the price spiked all the way to 740 after the earnings, but it pulled back all the way down to 630. 630 has been acting as a key support level. If you see, it already bounced off of this level 3 times, and it has been consolidating in a very tight range for last 2 weeks. Now, if you look at the moving averages 21 and 50 and 200, the price today, it tried to reclaim 21 SMA, did a good job. It's kind of holding that 21 SMA level, but 50 SMA is also kind of on the same level, and it's rejecting off of that level. So we need Meta to reclaim well above both the SMAs. That gives you short term and medium term trend to turn bullish. Okay, so in order for Meta to fly through these SMAs, it needs to cross the gamma wall this week at 660. If it's able to get through 660 comfortably, you will see move to 672, and there'll be some rejection at 672. It has already rejected once, and if it's able to clear this, it will definitely move all the way to 690, which has the 200 SMA acting as an overhead resistance. So we need to keep an eye on this. If it's able to clear 690, definitely we'll be able to see the previous high on earnings around 740. So if I switch the timeline to 4 hours, as I mentioned, the 660 672 range has a really thick supply zone here, and getting through this would be a challenge for Meta to do it. So as I mentioned, there are 2 levels we are watching here. 660, if it's able to cross 660, sorry, and hold it, then move to 672, and if it's 672 is cleared through that supply zone, and we'll be able to reach 690. So the 690, the level which is 200 SMA is for end of this month, March 27th, and the 50 SMA, it's all aligning together, 21 SMA and 50 SMA. Yeah, so there are 3 key levels we are watching: 660, 672, and 690. And these 2 levels, 660 and 672, is for the this week's expiry. And if you are able to clear these levels this week, and definitely in next 2 weeks, you will see 690 pretty easily. But the volume has been pretty low. If you see these consolidation ranges has been happening in a really low volume, low relative volume. So we need a volume and RSI to get hotter, like at least go above 55 and get a little bit of a relative volume and MACD to kind of cross over. Then you will see a real move. Right now it's been really choppy sideways, and I would wait to take this trade.